Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying issue of a constantly blinking loading circle next to your cursor in Windows 11. This issue usually means a background process is repeatedly starting or failing to initialize, often caused by software conflicts, stuck services, or driver problems. Fortunately, it's usually easy to identify and resolve. Let's get started. Right-click the Start icon and select Run. In the Run window that appears, type msconfig, then press Enter or click OK. A window named System Configuration will open. It includes several tabs: General, Boot Services, Startup, and Tools. Under the General tab, look for the Startup Selection section. Select the option Normal Startup, which loads all device drivers and services. Click Apply. If the Apply button is not available, switch temporarily to another option like Diagnostic Startup, then switch back to Normal Startup, and now click Apply. Click OK to confirm your changes. It is important to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. To restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Hopefully, this simple fix helped you resolve the blinking or spinning circle cursor issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.